Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Manfrotto Befree Adventure Aluminium Tripod. This is model number MKBFRTA4BK-BH. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So this is a really good option for a travel tripod. It weighs in at just 1.49 kilograms or 3.29 pounds, and it can actually accommodate weights of up to 9 kilograms or just under 20 pounds. It's 150 centimeters in height at its highest and 40 centimeters when it's compacted down to its travel form. It's a 4-section tripod. It's made out of aluminium, and I think the actual design aspect of this tripod and the balance between features, weight and price is just about right. Now inside the box we do get a little tool, so we get a little like Allen key. We also get some instructions to get us up and running. We also get a really nice carry case. Very nice indeed, very compact as well. This shows just how small this goes down to. It's got a nice amount of padding on the shoulder strap as well. This is ideal for carrying the tripod around. And then of course we've got the tripod itself. And as I mentioned earlier, it's packed full of features, really high quality as well, which we come to expect from Manfrotto. In fact, I've never reviewed a bad Manfrotto product. They've all been excellent. And this is no exception. This is absolutely superb. So if we take a look at this front leg, you can see aluminium. We can see the branding here as well. We've got twist lock on the extension, so very easy to undo these and then extend the legs out. It just works beautifully. Really nice action to the twist locks and super quick to extend all the sections and of course to compact it back down again. On each leg we've also got this sort of sliding piece here. What this allows you to do is to actually angle the legs at different angles, and then they just really nicely lock into place, and you'll see that click back into place. So really very nice action to getting the legs at different angles. If we take a look round on this side, we've also got this Easy Link port just here. What this allows you to do is to actually, let's just remove this, we can actually attach accessories here. We've got a threaded mount, so things like microphones, studio lights, etc. you can attach them just here, or maybe you've got an additional arm that you want to attach there. You could attach something like an action camera to that. We've also got some friction controls just here to adjust how the head is going to move. Really very nice controls. In fact, if we just move this off like so, we can actually move the ball head. Very nice, really smooth action. And then when we want to lock that down into place, we simply use this control to lock the ball head back down into place. We've got some branding just here. We can also loosen this off so that we can rotate 360 the head, and then we can of course lock that back down, so that makes that nice and firm. We've got a quick release on the top here. You need to actually do 2 buttons. There's like a switch just here and then this rotating piece, so we simply push this down, rotate this, and that releases the quick release plate. And we of course get the quick release plate included with the tripod. Really nice quality overall, just a great looking tripod. I love the actual construction of this. It's so good. This is a great travel tripod. Now you have of course got aluminium tripods and also carbon fiber tripods, and to keep the cost down on this is aluminium construction, but the weight is still very good indeed. Really nice quality. We've also got the center column, of course. Almost forgot to show you that. We can loosen this off here and of course extend that central column. Very nice again. And then when we want to lock it down into place, we simply tighten this collar in the center here. So this is the Manfrotto Befree Advanced. If you're looking for a really cost-effective but great quality tripod, this is definitely worth checking out. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.